Hello, students. We're always curious to know about stars, planets, and their satellites. We're having very lovely relations with them. From our childhood, we listen many interesting stories about them. Here is a song. Listen it. Chanda mama soga e suraj chachu jage. Shows that we're having very close relation with the sun and the moon. Today we are going to have lesson number 2, the sun, the moon and the earth. In this lesson we are going to see that some scientific facts about them and how these facts are related with our life directly or indirectly. Students, do you know we can see only one and the same face of the moon. The other face of the moon is never seen to us. Like the Earth, the Moon also has axial and orbital motions. The Moon, while rotating around itself, revolves around the Earth, and the Earth revolves around the Sun. As a result, though the Moon does not revolve around the Sun independently, indirectly, it makes revolution around the Sun. The time it takes to make one revolution around the earth and one rotation around itself is the same. That is why we constantly see one and the same side of the moon. Moon's positions. Students, here is diagram moon's positions. Now in this diagram you can see the earth here and two positions of the moon are shown over here. Now you can see here is moon's orbit. Moon's orbit is elliptical. As we know that earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit, in the same way your moon also revolves around the earth in an elliptical orbit. That means the distance between the moon and the earth is not same everywhere. It keeps on changing. Now when the moon is closest to the earth, this position is called perigee. The distance between the moon and the earth at this position is near about 3,56,000 km. In the same way, when the moon moves away from the earth and it is furthest from the earth, this position is called apogee. And the distance between the earth and the moon is near about 4,07,000 km. Students, you have studied the phases of the moon. You know how it waxes from new moon day to full moon day. Now how it wanes from full moon day to new moon day. In this figure, you can see all the phases of the moon. It shows the relative position of the moon on both the quarters, the full moon and the new moon days with respect to the earth and the sun. Angles made by the earth, moon and sun. Students, here is a diagram. In this diagram, we are going to see angles made by the earth, moon and the sun. Here you can see the sun position is here. Here is the earth and here is moon. Now when the moon is in between the sun and the earth, the angle made by them, you can see they are in a straight line. Here the angle is 0 degree. Now when moon revolves around the earth and it comes here on quarter day, that is waning moon, here the angle made by the sun, the earth and the moon is 90 degrees. Now again when the moon revolves around the earth, it comes to this position, where at this position you can see the sun is here, the moon is here. It is exactly, the moon's position is exactly opposite to the sun's position. So here the angle between the sun, earth and moon is 180 degree. Now when the moon revolves and it comes on again quarter day, on this day, that is waxing moon, here the angle made by the sun, earth and the moon is here 270 degree. We see the phases of the moon in the sky from the earth. They are the illuminated portion of the moon. They become visible due to sunlight reflected from the moon. While revolving around the earth, the moon is on the opposite side of the sun on full moon day. That is this position. Full moon day. Whereas on new moon day, it is positioned between the sun and the earth. This is new moon day. On the first and third quarter day, the moon, the earth and the sun make an angle of 90 degree. If you go from here till here, it's 90 degree. From here also till here, this is 90 degree. At these positions, we see half the portion of illuminated moon. Hence, in the sky, it appears semicircular in shape. That's it for today, students. Thank you for watching the video.